Hey, what's up, Cardano hold important, very urgent update video, my friend. And this time I have something very special update for all Cardano holder, because my brother, I researched personally today all day, my friends, for all of you now. So kindly must watch this 2-minute video. I hope, my brother, you will get some very special information now. So this time, my friend, you can see here Cardano price is decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute. Therefore, my friends, every holder asks me this question: to when Cardano pumps up. So let's see, my friend, in this video everything we will discuss. But kind, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type videos notification. Let's see, my friend. And this time, first of all, we need, my friends, to predicate this coin to understand better now, my friends. So first of all, as you can see here, the direction is moving in downward direction. And here, as you can see here, my friend, after a short jump, they will definitely fails down for a short time. So as you can see, my friend, they cannot fails down from resistance line. And here, as you can see, my friend, they clearly told you to, my friend, this point, absolutely this point, they will cross the resistance line. So therefore they are in the loss now. But don't worry, my friends, after this point absolutely they will take a huge jump. But this time their circulation is very bad now, because you can see, my friend, this is the point which they will be moving upward now. So I hope, my friends, after a long fail, as you can see here, my friend, this time just only, as you can see, just check it out here now, just a minute. Yes, my friend, yes, here now. So absolutely, my friend, this time, if you can see here, my friend, this resistance line is clearly told you, my friend, to this time, if you can see here, they will in the profit now. Here is also, but sometime, my friends, you can see here, after this fails, after a fails, they will hit this resistance line. So therefore, my friend, I will inform you, my friends, to after, as you can see, just a minute, sorry. All right, my friends, so as you can see here, just in only focus on here now, my friend, this time absolutely you can see here, after this fails, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to be ready for a good time. I hope, my friends, they will again hit this point and they will give you a profit. So please, you will need to hold and don't starting selling. I hope, my friend, at the end of month every coin will moving upward. So therefore I know to Cardano will also give you a profit. See you next time, holders. Please, my prediction is going positive. I hope in upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon now. So please, you will need to hold now and wait for the end of this month. And please like video and subscribe this channel.